Do I have to file ISF for channel letter bending machine? Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, do you have to file an importer security filing, ISF, for a channel letter bending machine? Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly recap what an importer security filing, ISF, is. The ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, is a requirement imposed by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for shipments being imported into the United States. It requires importers to provide specific information about their goods in order to enhance supply chain security. Now, let's get back to our main question. Do you have to file an ISF for a channel letter bending machine? The answer depends on a few key factors. Firstly, if the channel letter bending machine is being imported into the United States, then yes, you would need to file an ISF. This applies regardless of the mode of transportation, whether it's by sea, air, or land. Secondly, it's important to determine whether the channel letter bending machine is considered a good under the regulations. In general, goods that are intended for commercial use or resale, including machinery like the channel letter bending machine, fall under the scope of the ISF requirement. Now, let's talk about customs bonds. A customs bond is a type of insurance that ensures compliance with customs regulations, including the ISF requirement. It serves as a financial guarantee to CBP that any duties, taxes, and penalties will be paid by the importer. For importers, obtaining a customs bond is usually mandatory, especially for commercial shipments like the channel letter bending machine. The bond amount is determined by the type of goods being imported and the expected duties and taxes that may be owed. It's important to work with a reputable customs brokerage or an expert to help you navigate this process. Finally, it's crucial to understand the consequences of not filing an ISF or failing to comply with the customs regulations. Non-compliance can result in penalties, cargo holds, and potential delays in the release of your goods. By familiarizing yourself with the ISF requirements and working with professionals, you can ensure a smooth customs clearance process for your channel letter bending machine. That wraps up our video on whether you have to file an ISF for a channel letter bending machine. Remember, understanding the requirements and regulations of customs brokerage is essential for smooth and efficient international trade. If you have any more questions or need expert guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Disclaimer note below. Until then, take care and happy importing.